Hi, and welcome to OTel Bytes. I'm Justin. If this is your first time here, make sure to watch episode 1, where we set up our demo application. Last time, we looked at automatic and manual instrumentation in our JavaScript app. Today, we're talking about custom spans. Automatic instrumentation is great, but it doesn't always capture everything you need. So we're going to dive into customizing our traces for deeper insights. We're going to create custom spans to add telemetry that automatic instrumentation doesn't catch. These spans will give us more control over what we trace, allowing us to add attributes and manage the span lifecycle. We'll use the payment microservice and look specifically at the charge.js file. To create a custom span, first import the necessary OpenTelemetry packages and get a tracer instance. Here's the setup from charge.js. Here, trace lets us create and manage spans. Context manages trace context, and propagation helps pass context across asynchronous boundaries. The tracer instance acts as a constructor for creating spans, and metrics is used here for tracking payment transaction metrics. Inside the charge function, let's create a span to track the entire charge process. A span is like a box around a unit of work, giving us visibility into what happens within. This charge span will capture all operations related to processing a payment. We'll add custom attributes and close the span at the end of the function. Attributes are key value pairs that provide extra details on spans, like card type and card validity. We're adding attributes directly after obtaining credit card details. These attributes will show up on the span, making it easy to filter and analyze transaction by card type or card validity in your observability tool, like Kibana with Elastic. Now, let's go a bit deeper with baggage. We all have some at this point, but in the context of OpenTelemetry, baggage is a way to attach context to a trace that gets carried along with it. Here, we're using a baggage entry synthetic request to see if the request is simulated. If synthetic request is true, we'll set an attribute @paymentCharged to false, indicating it was not a real charge. By inspecting baggage here, we ensure that custom context like synthetic flags flows through the different parts of our app without extra code. This is useful when analyzing synthetic versus real transactions. When we're done with the charge operation, we need to close the span. Ending a span tells OpenTelemetry that the work associated with it is complete and it should be recorded. This gives us a fully defined charge span with custom attributes and conditionally set values. When we view our traces, we'll see exactly what happened during this transaction, with enriched details for each charge. Here I am in Kibana, navigating to our new charge span. You can see the attributes, card type, card valid, and payment charged here. Thanks for staying with me, and as always, happy tracing.